Hi friends, today we'll discuss about money market versus capital market. Capital markets are financial markets for the buying and selling of long-term debt or equity backed securities. Okay, capital markets are financial markets buy sell your equities backed securities. Money market is a market for short-term financial assets that can be turned over quickly at lower rate. So capital markets for long term, money markets for the short term. Capital markets. So capital market, you have two categories: primary market, newly issued securities are subscribed by the public. It is also called IPO market. Any new company, they want to sell their shares in market, they'll call it IPO, initial public offer. So first time these organization is coming to the public people and they are selling the shares to public. Secondary market, a company already issued securities and those are trading in BSE or NSE, so they want to sell the shares, that is secondary market. A market where already issued securities are trading among investors. So already these securities are issued and people are trading, means buying and selling. In this market, investor purchase a security from another investor rather than the issuer. So issuer will be the company. So in secondary market, I will not buy from the issuer. I will be buy and sell from the other investors. Subsequent to the original issue is the company primary market. So initially it will be primary market, then it will come to secondary market. What is money market? Money market related to trade credit, commercial paper, credit, certificate of deposit, treasury bills are some examples of the short-term debt instruments. Money market securities are very liquid in nature. Liquid nature means these can be converted into money short period, maybe 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, and hence the redemption period is restricted to 1 year. So all the money market transactions, it may be trade credit, commercial papers, everything will be less than 1 year. So money market diverted into two: organized sector and unorganized sector. Organized sector, here total control by the Reserve Bank of India. Participants are banks, NBFs, cooperative societies. So these are the organized sector involved in money market. Unorganized sector primarily used by the borrowers who are not able to get credit from the organized money market. So unorganized money market has comparatively flexible terms, informal procedures and higher interest rate for borrowers, etc. So these are money lenders, nidhi company, chit fund companies. These are unorganized sector in money market. Financial instruments, money market, government security, certificate of deposits and commercial papers are traded in money market. Capital market, shares, bonds and debentures are traded in capital market. So capital market for the long term, money market for the short term. Money market, all the securities will be for the shorter period. Purpose, money market for the short term, capital market for the long term. Risk factor, money market low, capital market high. So you have a higher risk in capital market. If you are invested in bonds, securities, shares, you have a high security, high risk. Return on investment, money market low, capital market high, your risk also high and your return also high. Time, money market less than 1 year, capital market more than 1 year also. Nature of market, money market informal, not for the all the people, only banks, financial institutions, chit companies, these are only. Capital market formal, it is available for all. It may be your HUF, you are a high net individual or individual partnership, anybody can involve, anybody can sell, buy shares in capital market. RBI, money market linked to RBI. Capital market no direct link to RBI, but money market directly linked to RBI. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.